all I want to do is help people, create a platform for people, make them feel special. That's me, that's what I'm gonna do. All I want to do is help people and make them feel special. But people will never see these things. They're gonna criticize, they're gonna talk, but I'm prepared because it's just the beginning. Away! Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am super excited to be back, and I know that you guys have been waiting for this. But this is not about contents. I mean, it's not a really strong content, but I just want to show you guys what is going on with my life for a day, since today is an off day. But I just want you guys to know what I do and on a daily basis, and I want to be transparent with you guys, like I've said in the previous vlog. So if you guys are up for it, I want you guys to watch this till the end based on what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm really sorry for not putting up contents on this channel for some time, since I have a project called Kachiti. It's a feature film, it's a fiction film, and I'm super excited for it to finish, because it's one of a kind, and I took the initiative to work on it because it's really amazing. The script is amazing, and I'm acting over there. I'm also an acting coach, and I want to say tremendous job by everyone from the DOP, Kam Ki Ding Do. You are amazing. Simi Kong Tiang, the director, she's been a really, what to say, I don't know, as a female, she's been just say level up. I mean, I've never seen anybody work like that, and the entire production. If I've missed out anybody, I'm really sorry, but hats off to everyone who's in that project, and I'm looking forward for everyone to know what is going on with Kachiti, because it's really amazing, and I can't wait for it to be out. Anyway, so stay tuned. For those who are new to this channel, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button with that bell icon for further notifications. And with further ado, let's get it on with my daily life. And I want you guys to follow up if you are excited. If you aren't, just watch this vlog till the end. Thank you so much. See you in a bit. First and foremost, you gotta wash your car first before you go out or before you go to work. So I'm really sorry, but I have to take water. I know that we are on crisis, and guys, do not waste water, not even one drop. It's very bad. You know that people are dying because of water, so I would urge all of you guys not to put your taps on in the bathrooms or in the wash basin, because we are on crisis, and people are killing and dying because of water. So I urge all of you guys to stay focused and not waste even a drop of water. Thank you so much. I'm on the geyser. So I just finished taking a bath, and my cameraman, also my right hand man, also my manager Bankit is here with me. And look at the weather. I thought of going out, giving my clothes, my jackets for dry clean, but unfortunately it's raining heavily, and I don't know what to do. But let's just go and let's have a nice fun vlog all the way. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is a daily vlog, like I said, early in the morning, and watch out. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's just a prop. So see you in a bit. So the worst thing about Shillong, I don't know whether it's Shillong or all over India, whenever it rains, there's always traffic. And the traffic is so bad that when you're in a hurry, you just have to sit there like a dumb fuck, doing nothing but being pissed off for some time. I mean, I'm not pissed off at the moment, but usually we get pissed off because of the traffic. So let's hope that we make it on time. So right here, this is called Mohanson Dry Cleaning. So I'm supposed to go there, but then there's no parking, so I have to go search for a parking because look at the condition right now. As you can see, this is the busy street here in Shillong. This is called Police Bazaar, and I'm almost reaching the store where I'm gonna be giving my dry clean. That is, yeah, Mohan. See, I have the maroon color, the brown, the grey, and the cameo. So fam, remember, these are the 4 colors. Apparently me and one kid are hungry, so what we're standing right now, we cannot afford such luxurious food, so the only food we can have is this right here, and it's pretty delicious, and it's called Badamayang. It's one of the most famous road shops here in Shillong, and I hope that you guys come here and have some of these rolls. It's really good. So we came from the law college, but then there's a program, so we couldn't do anything. Hey, Chana! Hey! 10 rupiah. Jaldi, jaldi! Jaldi shot? Haan, jaldi, jaldi. Ada expo. Thank you. So yeah, what was I saying? We came from the court, but then there was a program, so we couldn't record anything because it was full of cops. So yeah, thank you, and yeah. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am super excited. Keblok. Genjar. With that, we have come to the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to let you guys know that I'm definitely back this time. So stay tuned with my contents from here onwards. Do not go anywhere. Please do like, share, and subscribe as much as you want. I love you all. Thank you so much once again, and that's pretty much about it. And without being said, we're all gonna say it. Awee! Peace out, stay safe, take care, bye bye.